Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to review IronBrain supplement. Now, IronBrain is a nootropic supplement that claims to boost focus, energy, and memory using natural ingredients like L-theanine, caffeine, and a blend of adaptogens. It's marketed as a daily brain fuel for productivity, meant for people who want sharper mental performance without the crash. I used IronBrain for about 2 weeks while I was doing a lot of writing and editing work. I will be honest, the first few days I didn't feel much, but around day 5, I started noticing a consistent mental clarity. It wasn't hyper or jittery like I get with strong pre-workouts, but I stayed alert longer and didn't need an afternoon coffee. The capsule is easy to take and didn't upset my stomach, which is a plus. However, the caffeine level is on the higher side, so if you're already drinking coffee or energy drinks, it might push you into that slightly anxious zone. Also, most nootropics, the results plateau if you use it every single day. It's better cycled. Now, my final verdict would be IronBrain is great if you want a smooth mental lift without the crash, especially for work or studying. But it's not magic. It works best when combined with sleep and hydration. If you are caffeine sensitive, then take half the dose first. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.